Creating and displaying name views. A name view is we can give a name to the single frame of this display of what we're looking at right now. So we may have a view where we might want to come back to it and give it a verbal name. In this case, we might want to call this view, say, red, green, yellow, let's say. And we might then spin the view around and just say, oh, let's look at the yellow view. So to do this, we're going to go over to our navigation bar. On the bottom, we're going to go to Show Motion. When we click on the Show Motion, we get some icons that are going to show up down here. Now, they're kind of obscured and they're kind of blocked by this command line. You might have to move the command line all the way. Here they are. On the right side, we get a button called New Shot. And it's like a shot, a photo. We pick on it. It'll open up the New View Shot properties. I'm going to call this thing red, green, yellow. And I'm going to basically have I can pick a category. If I want, say I'm looking at the kitchen, all my kitchen views and all my living room views are organized in different folders. But we'll go into more details of how to use this later. And right now I just say OK. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate using the view cube to the front, this front yellow view. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to create a new shot. I'm going to bring up the new view dialog box again, and I'm going to say it's a yellow, and I'm going to just say view, and I'm going to just say OK. Now I have these two different views going on, and so maybe I'm working along. I'm sorry, and I'm working along, and I'm to some other view, and I say, you know what? I want to go back to one of those views. I can come down here, and I can come over here, and I can actually come in and say, well, you know what? I want to play one of these views. Which view do I want? I can highlight whatever view I want. If I want to go to the yellow view, I'll come up and highlight it, and I hit play. And it jumps right to that view, and it kind of plays a little motion, like a little slow motion deal to get to that view. I can go up and when I'm working along, and I can say, all right, I can close this down. I'm working, and maybe I'm over here, and I say, all right, let's go to Show Motion. It brings up my Show Motion toolbar at the bottom here. I figure out which one I want to go to. I'll go to my red, green, yellow, right? And I'll hit play, and it goes right to that particular view. When I'm done, I X out, and it's out of my way. You might want to redock your command line if you want to, but this is creating and viewing name views using our Show Motion over here and using the Name View or the New View Shot Properties dialog box.